Howdy Scribe Tribe, John Heffernan here. Really looking forward to the Littlescribe Mini-Writing Festival. And to kick off, I've got 3 words for you to play with. Words that are going to be connected with my workshop later on. Okay, first word, Mirage. A fascinating word. People staggering through the desert dying of thirst are often deceived by a vision of water shimmering in the distance. That's your mirage. An illusion, a visual trick. But I also wonder, do we have other sorts of mirages, like audio mirages, things that we think we hear, but don't? Word 2, tangent. One of my favourites. Life is full of tangents, side roads that lead us who knows where, up the garden path or down a dead-end alley, deviating, diverging, flying off on tangents, meandering, warping into tracks that attract or attack so we don't come back. Or do so, dressed in black. Third word, echo. You know echo, sounds like gecko. Hit the deck, oh, don't go, hang around for the rest of the show, said the crow. Kinda like an afterglow. A boomerang thing, hanging off your ears, ricocheting what you're saying. It states and then reiterates a little later. Got the message, alligator? Why have I chosen these words? Well, because they have to do with things like imagining, thinking, reflecting, sensing, feeling, hearing, seeing, smelling, touching, and following paths that lead us who knows where. I can't wait to see where they take you, or where you take them. Yeehaw!